Hello, my friends. Let's feed a very hungry monster. Oh no, but the letters are disappearing. Will you help me? Now let's see which one is the first letter of the alphabet. Is it C? No. Is it B? No. Is it A? Yes! Here are some animals and insects. Let's see, maybe the letters are here. Let's see the snail. Ooh, this is letter A. A is for apple. Let's feed the monster. Nom, nom, nom.
Oops.
And now we'll give some color to the snail. Oops. We use this magic pipette. Wow, it's so fun. Let's find another letter. Ooh, here is B. B is for butterfly. Eat up, monster. Yum, 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 yum. We use this color and the magic pipette. Oops. Oh, that's better. Now let's find another letter. Wow, this is letter C. C is for cat. Eat up, monster. Yum, 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 yum. We will use this pink color and spread the water. Wow, that's so cool. We have a fish here. Let's see what letter is under it. Oh, this is letter B. B is for dog. Yum, yum, yum. Let's spread some orange color. Spread. Ooh, that's so fun. And here we have letter E. E is for elephant. Great job. Pick some purple color and spread the colors. Wow, so nice. Do you like it? Let's see. The next one is letter F. Wow. F is for flower. You're doing so great. Hey, look friends. We have another cardboard activity here. This is a square. And this is a rectangle. This is a star. And this is a hexagon. This is a triangle. And this is a circle. Let's match these tubes now. Oh, look friends, what do you have here? It's letter G. Wow. G is for giraffe. Eat up, monster. The tube there. This is a square. And now we have here letter H. Let's put the rectangle back. H is for happy. Eat up, monster. Now we can find letter I. I is for igloo. And we put the spaceship into the hole. Now we have letter J. J is for jacket. Ooh, let's feed him. Yum, 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 yum. Look, it's nothing in here. Maybe it's here? Yes. We have a triangle and under is letter K is for koala. Yum, yum, yum. Such a good helper. And we put the triangle. This is a circle. And this is letter L. We found letter L. L is for lion. Let's eat. Yum. Wow, friends. We have another cardboard activity here. These are some nice fruits. Yummy fruits. But they're missing something. Let's see. Oh, I think I know. Do you know? Yes! these are the seeds, so we have to put them inside. Let's push. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is papaya. And this one, do you know what fruit it is? This one is kiwi, yes. We have other seeds for him. These are black seeds. And we push there. Wow, and this is a strawberry. Look, the seeds should be, do you know? Yes, it's yellow. Good job, you're so smart. Yellow, press the seeds inside. We use these Q-tips to make the seeds. This is so fun. We have a lemon also. And put some seeds. We have some cherries. And also an apple. Yummy, yummy. Here we have watermelon. Press, press. Here's a pear. So yummy. And here we have a pomegranate. The seeds are red. These fruits are so yummy. Oh no, but I forgot about letters. Let's see where they are. We found the letters inside. Let's feed the monster with them. M is for monkey. Yum, yum, yum. Eat up, monster. The monster is feeling so good now. N is for nest. Eat up, monster. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you, my friend. O is for octopus. Yum, 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 yum. So good. P is for penguin. Whoop, 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 whoop. Q is for queen. Yum, yum, monster. R is for rainbow. Wow. You're doing so good. Look, friends, we have another activity here. Also with cardboard. So I think we have to put all the scabs in their place and to match them in their place. Oh yeah, we finished this one. I think a letter is hiding here. Oh yes, this is letter S. S is for snake. So yummy. Now we can make this car because he needs the wheels. Put them back. Spin, spin, spin. And the letter is hiding. Right here is letter T. T is for turtle. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yum, yum, it's so good. Oh, we have this flower now. We have to put the petals in their place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. And this one, we put it in the middle. That's great. Good job. Let's see what letters is behind. This is letter U. U is for umbrella. It's raining. Woo! Whoop! Up to the mouth of the monster. Ooh, here is a cute owl. Let's see. I think these are the eyes. 1, 2, and the letter behind is letter V. We found it. Yeah! V is for van. Look, we have a nice butterfly here. We have 2 colors. 1, 2 orange. And a yellow cap. 1, 2 yellow caps. Look, we have the letter V. W is hiding here. W is for whale. So good! Yum, 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 yum. And the last one is a bike. We have to put these wheels back. 1, 2. And we find the letter X. X is for xylophone. Eat out, master. Yum, 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 yum. Friends, we are missing the last 2 letters of the alphabet. I wonder where that can be. Look! Here we have letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Eat. You're doing so great. Thank you. You're a good helper. And also we have here in the pocket the letter Z. Z is for zebra. The last one. Nom. We did it! We found all the letters, and the hungry monster is finally happy and full. You are brave, smart, and amazing today. You want to play with the hungry monster too? You can find my activity book with ready-to-cut templates by scanning this QR code. See you next time. Bye-bye.